Okay, so let's demonstrate how to use an ohmmeter to find a winding in an electric motor that's shorted to ground. So again, the winding, the metal case of the electric motor will be grounded, and so there is a ground wire that goes through the conduit here and connects to the metal case of the motor. And so what we would not want is any of our motor windings to be connected to the grounded case of the motor. And so we could determine that by using again our multimeter set to an ohms function. And so if I measure between winding number 1 and ground, we have an open loop, right? So there is no continuity, and so again, that's what we'd want to see. We wouldn't want motor winding number 1 connected to our case of our motor. So let's move over to winding number 2, and so again, we see an open loop there. Motor winding number 2 is not connected to our grounded case of our motor. And so let's go to winding number 3. And sure enough, we see about 0.2, 0.1 ohms. Actually now we're seeing 0 ohms. And so what we do have is winding number 3 is connected to the motor, grounded motor case here. And so we have a shorted winding to ground.